Hey everyone, welcome back to our YouTube channel. Today, in this video, we will talk about one of our projects on integrating Salesforce API with Shopify. First, let me share with you the client's requirements. The client wanted us to design an attractive custom step form in Shopify, save all the steps form data in Salesforce via API, include documents uploaded, make the form responsive for all the devices. Before talking about the execution, let me give a quick introduction to Shopify. Shopify is a full-hosted, cloud-based e-commerce platform suitable for all sizes of businesses. Shopify provides users with an online solution that allows them to build their website to sell products without coding quickly. Shopify works as software as a service tool, offering a wide range of technology products necessary to set up, design, run, and grow your online store with a monthly subscription. Moving on to the solution, we created a custom page in Shopify. We designed step forms on page using HTML, CSS, and JavaScript, made all forms responsive using media queries, sent form data in Salesforce via API. Let me show you the demo of Shopify store in which we have created a page and designed a step form. And all the information of the step form is added on Salesforce and included the images or asset uploaded in the form. So, let me show you how it works. I will demonstrate how the processes of data submission from this form. So, let me first fill all the required details. First and last name, email address, phone number, business name and business type. Now, you can see the form detail submission percentage increase as it displays the steps in the form completed. So the percentage is dynamic. As much as we complete our form, this percentage will increase accordingly. So, moving on to the following steps, we need to fill all the required fields, including first and last name, email, phone number, billing address, PIN code, billing city, state, shipping address, state, country, and zip code. After filling all the details, click on the next button. From here, you can upload any images, and this image will directly create a URL, and that URL will send to Salesforce. And in Salesforce organization, the Salesforce admin can change the image uploaded through this form. So let me just upload an image here. Let's say I want to upload this image. For the payment method, I will choose the option. Moving ahead, we need to fill in all the required details here, including the principal business owner's name, trade reference name, phone number, and email address. Here, we have the options to add multiple trade reference names here by filling in all the required fields here as well. Then, click on Next. Here, the next page that appears is Term and Conditions page. Agreeing the terms and conditions, let's click on Submit button. You can see this is the success page, and the form is successfully submitted and the information is sent to the Salesforce. Are you looking to expert guidance on integrating Salesforce with third-party tools? Get in touch with Cloud Energy's team of experts. They would be happy to assist you in realizing the true potential of your business and help you with all the configurations, Salesforce data migration, third-party integration, web services, and other frame integrations. Contact us now.